In this video, we will start with the data manipulation language, in short DML. So basically, it is again one of the type of SQL command. Any SQL command which changes the data in the table, we will categorize that particular command under the data manipulation language. Whenever you will change any data in a table through the DML commands, that can be rolled back as the DML are not the auto committed ones. So by the time we will start working with the transactions, we will see how can we commit or roll back the commands of data manipulation language. Here we have the insert, update and delete commands which are categorized under the data manipulation language. As whenever you want to add a new record, you can go for the insert statement. When you want to modify the existing records of a table, you can go for the update, and if you want to remove some of the rows, you can go for the delete command. So from our next video onwards, we will start working with the data manipulation language.